Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Your organization's Teams IT admin sets the meeting options and participant defaults for your organization. However, as a meeting organizer, you may want or need to change them for a specific meeting. You can access the Meeting Options web page to change a meeting's default options in Teams. There are several ways to open this page depending on how you created this meeting, so use whichever option is easiest for the type of meeting you scheduled or created. As a meeting organizer, to open the Meeting Options web page from a scheduled meeting in the calendar, double-click the meeting in the calendar to open the meeting's details page. Then click the Meeting Options link that appears at the top of the page. Alternatively, to open the Meeting Options web page from a meeting's sent invitation, click the Meeting Options link that appears in the meeting's invitation email. Finally, to access the Meeting Options web page from within a meeting, like when you use the Meet Now feature, click the Show Participants button within the Meeting Controls toolbar to open the Participants pane. Then click the More Actions ellipsis at the top of the Participants pane and select the Manage Permissions command in the drop-down menu that appears. The Meeting Options page then opens in your computer's default web browser. The meeting's details appear at the top of the page. The meeting's options appear underneath the Meeting Options section. To change who can bypass the lobby for this meeting, select a choice from the Who Can Bypass the Lobby drop-down. People not in this list must wait in the meeting's lobby and then be admitted by a participant. To choose whether or not to always allow people who call into the meeting to bypass the lobby, click to change the Always Let Callers Bypass the Lobby toggle button to either Yes or No as desired. To choose whether or not to announce when people who call into the meeting join or leave, click to change the Announce When Callers Join or Leave toggle button to either Yes or No as desired. To change who is a presenter for the meeting, select a choice from the Who Can Present drop-down. Anyone who is not a meeting presenter is a meeting attendee. A presenter can do almost all the meeting's activities just like the organizer. Attendees can only speak and share video, participate in meeting chat, and privately view a PowerPoint file shared by someone else. To choose whether or not to allow attendees to unmute themselves, or whether they must raise their hand in a meeting to then be granted the ability to unmute themselves by a meeting organizer or presenter, click to change the Allow Attendees to Unmute toggle button to either Yes or No as desired. After changing the meeting's options as needed, then click the Save button at the bottom of the Meeting Options web page to save the changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.